Today we are going to discuss one question that almost every EPC professional is thinking about right now. Should I start learning AI now? And more importantly, what should be the right learning sequence? Let me answer the first question honestly. Yes, we should start learning AI, but not in the way social media is making you believe. Stay tuned, and by the end of this video, you will clearly know whether AI is the immediate priority, what tools you should master first, and how this can help you in your next career move. Hi, this is Ganesh Kumar, and welcome back to EPC Sadhana, one of its kind YouTube channel dedicated for EPC professionals. Here we decode real EPC realities. Let's first talk reality. In many EPC companies today, especially mid-sized and growing companies, what is the actual system we are working on? Morning updates comes on WhatsApp. DPR comes in Excel. Progress status comes on calls. Review MOM is prepared manually. Action tracking happens through follow-up messages. Even today, in many companies, full usage of Primavera or MSP-like tools itself is not mature. In many teams, even Power BI dashboards are not yet started. MS Teams is available, but meetings are still happening through phone calls and WhatsApp voice notes. So before jumping into AI, we need to ask a more important question. What does the industry actually need it today? So the real question is not, should I learn AI? The real question is, what should I learn first to grow faster in EPC? And this is where many EPC professionals are getting confused because AI is being positioned as the first step, but in reality, AI is the third step. Let me explain. Before AI, every EPC professional must first master the digital foundation layer because AI can accelerate systems, but it cannot replace the absence of systems. If the workflow itself is manual, fragmented, and dependent on follow-up calls, AI alone will not create value. That is why the right learning ladder is very important. Now in the next few minutes, I'll show you the three-level skill ladder that can directly improve your career growth in the current company and prepare you for the next one. Let's look at the ladder. Before AI, first master advanced Excel. I'm not talking about simple data entry. I'm talking about the Excel that helps you think like a project leader. Pivot tables, XLOOKUP, conditional formatting, dashboard views, progress variance trackers, and many others. And this is possible through advanced Excel. If you convert raw site data into decision-ready visibility, you immediately stands up. Because leadership does not need data, leadership needs clarity. The second tool is Power BI. This is one of the most powerful career accelerator today. Imagine instead of handling 8 different Excel, if you can present one dashboard showing plan versus actual progress, billing versus collection, critical risks, cash flow trends, site-wise performance, equipment utilization, and delay hotspots. The moment you start showing information visually, your visibility in the organization increases. Because now you are not just reporting, you are enabling decisions. The next tool is MS Teams, SharePoint, and structured collaboration. Let's be honest, many teams still lose time in searching files, asking for latest revision, finding MOM, or tracking action points and chasing updates. The professionals who bring structure here automatically become valuable. Now comes to the next level. This is where basic AI tools become immediately useful. And this is where every EPC professional should start. Not promotion of tools, but just reference of them. The first is ChatGPT, not advanced AI models, but basic practical usage. For example, after a review meeting, instead of spending 30 minutes drafting minutes of meeting, you can structure the key discussion points and use AI tools to prepare the first draft. If there is a delay issue, you can use it to summarize root causes. If you need to prepare a mail to client or HO, it can help draft the communication faster. This is not replacing your thinking, this is accelerating your productivity. The next tool is Canva. Many people don't think of Canva as AI-led productivity, but for EPC professional, it is extremely useful. Helps in review presentations, preparing tracking decks, leadership communication slides, site learning posters, safety awareness visuals, dashboard presentations. All these become faster and sharper. And when you present information better, your professional image improves. Now comes the next layer. This is not where most companies are today, but this is where the industry is moving. AI-led delay prediction, image-based progress tracking, automated risk flagging, procurement comparison intelligence, document extraction, smart dashboards. This may not be the current need in every company, but this can definitely become the differentiator for your next company or for your next role and your move into leadership. So what is the practical takeaway? Do not start with AI hype. Start with maturity ladder. First, second, third. This is the learning path for EPC professionals today. And honestly, the professionals who understand this sequence will grow faster than those who jump directly into AI buzzwords. Because in EPC, growth happens when you solve real workflow pain, not when you only know trending tools. If this resonates with your reality, tell me in the comments what tool is your company still underutilizing today? Excel, Power BI, Teams, or AI? If this video helped you build clarity on what to learn next in EPC, do share it with your teams and colleagues. And if you want more practical insights from EPC realities, subscribe to EPC Sadhana. Let's grow smarter and faster together. Signing off and see you soon in the next video.